The second case study we'll talk about is colon cancer. There is increasing evidence that many cancers are linked to microbial agents. And in the case of colon cancer, one particular microbe, Fusobacterium nucleatum, has been found to be associated with tumours in several different studies conducted independently by different labs in different parts of the world. Fusobacterium nucleatum is an anaerobe, so in other words, it typically thrives in environments with little to no oxygen, and it can be found in the gut tissue of healthy people, but usually in very small amounts. Interestingly, the other places we see it frequently are in the mouth of healthy people, where it's a normal constituent of the oral microbiota, and then we see it in animals that are carnivores. So, for example, your dog typically has a lot of Fusobacterium nucleatum, certainly much more than you do. Now, in people with colon cancer, there's much more Fusobacterium nucleatum than we see in the healthy colon. And in particular, this species is concentrated in tumours. So in other words, it seems to home in on the tumour environment. And studies are in progress at the moment to figure out whether this is a cause or an effect. In other words, does F nucleatum just like to go to the tumours once they're already starting? Or does it actually go to particular sites in the gut and then cause those tumours to occur? Interestingly, it turns out that this organism is capable of inducing inflammation and inducing the growth of cancerous lesions by interacting with human cells in the colon. More recently, other bacteria have been implicated as partners in crime with F nucleatum in colorectal cancer, and some of these other bad players include Leptotricha and Campylobacter species. So in general, it seems that there's a signature of anaerobic bacteria in general that are associated with tumours in the colon. So in summary, our gut microbes maintain a delicate balance which keeps our gut healthy and our immune system in check. When this balance is tipped away from beneficial bacteria, it can lead to diseases of the gut, including IBD and colon cancer. In the future,